Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button as well the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you are finally at the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you have here as well on top the symbol to power off the phone. So then we're in the power off menu, just confirm twice here on power off and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button here, or the side button as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings, then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features. Here it is. And then check out the point side button. And here you should choose, or you could choose what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking up Bixby with, but in the future, we want to have the power off menu. Just confirm it here. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you are directly at the power off menu. Just confirm twice on power off, as I've taught you, and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you could also check out here the subscribe button if you want, if you haven't done before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.